All right, everyone, welcome back. So you don't have to use RStudio when developing your blogdown site, but there are a few essential add-ins that make it easy to edit and preview your site. So if I click on the Tools tab and then click on Add-ins, and we browse the add-ins, if we click on Serve Site, this essentially is the same thing as typing in the console blogdown serve site, and this executes the live reload technology where we can constantly view our site and we can edit it and preview it in real time. So if we now go back to the tools, click on the add-ins, browse the add-ins, and we click on new post here, this opens up a dialog box for us where we could have a new post. So we can go and choose a title. So for here, I'm just going to write new post, and the author, I'll just write John Doe. And I can choose the format of the file that we want. So just for simplicity, I'll write down Markdown. And when we're done with that, I have my new post. I can go and write, hello world, is this working? And then I save it, and we see that our new post is live. And if we go to our home page, we see that our new post is posted. If we go and we click over here and we click on now update metadata. So this here gives us a dialog box where we can update all the YAML metadata. So YAML stands for yet another markdown language. It's a language where which is useful for editing our post. So one of the main advantages over here is that instead of selecting our posts and writing them in manually, like for categories or for tags, we have these drop-down menus here. So I can go and put down my categories are, and I can go and put just a couple of tags here, and then we're done. So I don't need to go and type that in manually here. And then there's another tool that we can use here with looking at our add-ins, and if we go and we click on insert image here. So we're given a dialog box, and then if we browse our images here, and here, let me just get to the file that we want to get to. All right, now that I'm in the file that I want to go and get to, I just go click on the file, and then I click done, and it should work. But what we see here in our live preview, it's not showing. So the reason for that is because blogdown assumes that all of our posts are in our static folder over here, right? And the path that we're given over here is not our static folder. So what I have to do is that I have to cut this off. So once I cut this off and then I save it and I look at the viewer again, we have our post here. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. We have a nice big cat here. Okay. So finally, the last thing that you can go and do here is actually, if I just click on new project here, let me just find it, right? And then I'll save it, right? And then I'm actually given a new dialog box, and I can actually create a new website using blogdown, right? Which is not what we did in the beginning of this series, because I really wanted to just go and show you what's going under the hood here. And now that we know what's going on under the hood, we can go off to be really building our websites and understanding what's going on. So that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.